How to make your stress work for you? That's a powerful question. Stress is often seen as something purely negative, but if you learn to channel it, stress can become a source of motivation, focus, and resilience. Here are some practical ways to make stress work for you instead of against you. 1. Reframe stress as energy. Instead of thinking, I'm so stressed I can't handle this, try, my body is gearing up to help me perform. This mental shift, called a stress reappraisal, turns anxiety into a performance booster. For example, a racing heart can mean your body is fueling you for action. 2. Use stress as a signal. Stress often points to something important: deadlines, values, or opportunities. Ask, what is this stress telling me matters? Then channel your energy into problem solving instead of avoidance. 3. Break tasks into actionable steps. Overwhelm comes from seeing the whole mountain. Stress can be reduced and made productive when you chop goals into manageable steps. Small wins release dopamine, which eases stress and builds momentum. 4. Channel stress into focus. Short bursts of stress can sharpen concentration. Use that heightened state for tasks that require alertness, like public speaking, exams, or negotiations. A useful trick: turn butterflies into excitement by saying, I'm excited, instead of I'm nervous. 5. Build stress recovery rituals. Stress works for you only if you balance it with recovery. Use short breaks, deep breathing, exercise, or meditation to reset your system. Think of stress like exercise. Your muscles grow only if you also rest. 6. Practice stress inoculation. By gradually exposing yourself to stressful situations, presentations, tough conversations, challenges, you train your brain to handle them better over time. Just like athletes use training stress to get stronger, you can do the same mentally. 7. Anchor stress to purpose. Stress feels less overwhelming if you tie it to a bigger mission. For example, I'm stressed preparing for this exam, but it's because I care about my future career. Stress plus meaning equals resilience.